So in total, I was charged $5.50 just to withdraw funds from my account. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today we're going to be looking at the Doordash Visa card or debit card, whichever one you like to refer to it as. But anyways, I've had this card for a couple weeks now and I've used it, and most of the time it works. And DoorDash did say it would give you 2% off on gas, which isn't really that much if you consider it. You get $2 for every $100 you spend. Like, you're not getting a terrible amount of gas with that. But today I'm going to be talking about the good and the bad of this card, and one of the bad that DoorDash really doesn't discuss, which caused me to kind of get away from this card. So if you're interested in that, definitely keep watching. If you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button. I post a lot of helpful DIY content and some interesting other type of content, so definitely subscribe. So without further ado, let's talk a little bit about this card. What is it? So recently a new app came out and a new card came out. This is the DoorashDirect card, and the DoorDash drivers get this card where the money automatically transfers into their bank account every night after they work during the day. So that's really an amazing side. That's what got me hooked into getting one. You get your pay not immediately, but every single day, and then you don't have to use fast pay, which costs you $2 every time you use it. So every day you work at 12 o'clock at night, the funds transfer into a DoorDash bank account. It's not your own bank account. This card comes with a separate account, so it gets transferred into your card. But recently I had a problem with it. So during the day I worked, at night it transferred the funds over to my bank account. During the next day, I went to get gas. I slid this card. It wouldn't work. It said insufficient funds. So I had to go to the ATM to withdraw funds to put gas into my car. And when I reached the ATM to use this card, I went to a Chase ATM, I believe. The Chase ATM cost me $3 to withdraw funds from my account. And in addition to this, DoorDash charged me another $2.50 to withdraw cash from the ATM. So in total, I was charged $5.50 just to withdraw funds from my account. Like, that's terrible. Okay, sure, it's a good thing that DoorDash gives you funds that same day, but you're getting charged more than the fast pay fee, or more than double the fast pay fee if you want to get cash from your account. At least with fast pay, it gets transferred into your account, and then you could use your debit card to withdraw money from your own ATM free of charge. So that's one of the biggest downsides of this card. When it doesn't work and when you go to the ATM to get cash out of it, you get charged $5.50. That's like a large amount. And if you withdraw regularly, or if you're the type of person that uses cash a lot, that's going to charge you a lot. So I would recommend definitely sticking with the fast pay option or the regular option, which pays you every Monday. But anyways guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up of the downside of this DoorashDirect card. Definitely want to keep you guys updated and prevent you guys from spending unnecessary amounts of money, and prevent you guys from spending unnecessary amounts of money by trying to get your own cash out of your bank account. But anyways, I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But other than that, I will let you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.